y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. YouTube, it's your boy Davo coming to y'all with another YouTube video, man. Today we'll be doing a highway POV. Nothing too crazy. I just want to give y'all a couple minutes, man. Probably like 10 or 15 minutes of just a little highway POV. So make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button. Get this video to about, I'd say like 80 likes, man. That should be decent for y'all boys. Just turn me up for the one time. Y'all been rocking with my channel, so just keep on rocking with me, man. I'm going to keep on dropping videos for y'all boys. Got the boys with me. Bracy Curry.
Bracy Curry back on the channel.
Got my boy Tay Nose in the back. Tay Nose. But yeah, we got a little scat pack in front of us right now. I don't know what he on. He in and just on some chilling. We on the way DT right now. Y'all go see that video after this video. This was just something quick and easy. So I'm like, man, we already driving DT. We might as well get y'all a little POV. I know I ain't get y'all a highway POV in a minute. Let me stop talking though, man. I'm rambling at this point. Make way for me, man. Let me know what other content y'all want to. I'm gonna start back with the POVs though, cause I know I've been chilling out on the POVs, man. I used to drop every 2 days, every day, every 2 days. Man, I used to be going crazy with the content. Now I be dropping every like 3 days, sometimes every 4 days. I just be too busy, man. Y'all know your boy Davo a father, man. This motherfucker bumpy as hell. Talking about let the phone fall. I'm honing on this motherfucker for sure.
I always be thinking about niggas don't be knowing you be holding that bitch yourself.
Oh, bro.
This whole thing. I be like, I can't do that shit, bro.
Damn. This joint's so backed up. I ain't on my New York type shit. They be tweaking in New York, bro. They don't be caring about they little Miatas, they little cars. They don't be caring, bro. Me, this joint too wide to be tweaking, man. I could do it, but am I finna do it for the channel? Hell no. Yeah, over with, shorty. I paid a grip for this motherfucker.
Oh, shit.
Excuse me? Yeah, just let me know if y'all like when your boy be cutting up on the E-way. Like, where y'all want me to cut up, man? Y'all want me to cut up through the hood next? Y'all want me to cut up? Like, where y'all want me to cut up, man? Y'all like when I cut up on the E-way? Bro, this nigga keep wanting me to go to O-Block, bro. Ooh, it's traffic. I see it. Yeah, man, we on the way DT. I'm finna give y'all a crazy vlog DT. Everybody popping out, man. I ain't gonna spoil it yet though, man, but we finna be tweaking DT tonight. Oh, this joint making a complete stop. Where you been at, Bracy Curry?
Man, told y'all Twitch, YouTube. I started my channel, man. But, you know, I don't be outside like y'all be. Vlogs coming soon, though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna start being outside with the cash bowl, man. I got y'all. I know y'all been waiting and shit.
Bro, folks ain't been out in like 8 months, folks.
You feel me? Grind all winter so you can shine all summer.
He tweaking. What the fuck did you read that shit in, boy? You tweaking. Little quotes and shit. Y'all thought that Bracy Curry was locked up or something. Nah, folks out his ass just ain't been, he ain't been in the POVs, man. He ain't been out with us. I had to go pick up that back end. Man, when Trump get back elected, Brody, life gonna be easier. Oh God, I've been feeling it. These past 2 years, bro, 2 to 3 years, I've been feeling it, man. I ain't been making what I was making, bro. Been trying to chill out. Y'all kids, hey, y'all kids gotta budget yourselves, shorty. Don't be thinking y'all wanna be cool and look cool with them Marys on and shit. Y'all want these, look. Y'all want these chains, shorty? You gotta work for it, man. This ain't gonna come to you. Y'all better stop playing. You better save your money, boy. That shit'll be gone. Just like that. Tell them, Tasty, that shit'll be gone. Let me put the light on it. That shit'll be gone, boy. Y'all see Tasty got a chain, though. Folks got a chain on. That motherfucker glistening. But yeah, though, y'all just gotta start budgeting y'all self more. Y'all kids just think that these cats and shit look cool. It don't look cool if you can't afford them. You know, a lot of people, man, a lot of my homies, man, I ain't gonna say none of y'all names, but y'all little ass struggling, man. Better downgrade that motherfucker. I feel like sometimes too, though, like, you gotta get something to like make you wanna grind and like make more type shit, if that makes sense. Some of y'all will get it, some of y'all won't get it. So if you can't afford a $1,000 car, man, get it. Bro, that joint will make you afford that motherfucker. You gonna be either stealing or robbing. I don't know what you gonna be doing. It's the same thing, but I advise you not to rob. You can steal, but don't rob, shorty. Huh? What y'all think I should get, man, the next car on the channel? You don't even know?
I don't even know cars enough to fucking know that shit.
I don't know. It's just so many cars that been coming out, bro. That'll be good for like content-wise. It's just so many cars. But a lot of y'all will be mad, but like them cyber trucks, bro, them Tesla cyber trucks, that'll be a good car for content too. Average person don't got that car, bro. Like especially that cyber beast joint, that joint is ridiculous. That mother like 845 horsepower. Like the torque is crazy. Like that joint is so crazy. All-wheel drive, of course. But really though, next I just want something that's all-wheel drive. Y'all know though me, man. I'm gonna get a BMW M3, man. I just been talking too much. I just need to do it. Just been trying to look, man. I just been trying to budget myself. Just like I've been telling y'all, I just been trying to budget myself. Sometimes you just gotta do it, man. Wing it. If it don't work out, then yeah, you just go broke. But at least you got the car you on it. Yeah, this traffic should open up right here. Usually it be opening up. Oh yeah.
Some niggas on the left, pussy.
God is good. I've been wondering too, like, why everybody been turning Muslim, man? That should be making me want to turn Muslim or something. Nah, but I just been wondering that. All of y'all Christians, tell me in the comments why everybody been turning Muslim, bro. Hold up, somebody calling me.
A few moments later.
We're back in business. God, somebody tired flat. That boy Jay wasn't even answering. Jeeps be looking so good, bro. Y'all can't say Jeeps don't look good. It's just like the transmissions in Jeeps be horrible. Hard. You gonna let me pass or not, bro? Go if you go. Damn.
You don't even feel the speed in this motherfucker, do you?
Nah.
Until you go a certain speed.
The fast I ever went in this joint was like 188. And like, I ain't even know that I was going that damn fast. Till like 5 days later, literally. Cause I think like the fastest after that I went was like 156 or like something. But that was when I was just like cutting up with my. Then I went 188, man. When I was coming back from Detroit, got into a little fender bender.
What do you mean by that?
Show y'all the beautiful city of Chicago. Chicago. Excuse me. VIP treatment. Give me some VIP treatment, big boss. Need some VIP treatment, big boss. Look at the beautiful. That'll be a cool little thumbnail. Maybe, depending on how it looks. YouTube, it's your boy Davo coming to y'all with another highway POV, shorty. Today we will be cutting up with my boy Shay and my boy in the red eye, so just make sure that y'all tune in to the channel, man. We going up, man. Y'all know Davo get y'all crazy content. Oh, y'all think he going the opposite way. Yeah, I think Shay going the opposite way. Yeah, I ain't gonna make this. Yeah though, y'all, man, I know I gave y'all enough. So look, if you want more, man, if you want to see me cut up with other people, just go on my channel, man. I got a whole bunch of videos, so you won't be bored, my boy. You won't be bored. But it's been your boy Davo. We going off this video right here, man. Hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Road to 50K. And I'm out, y'all. Peace.